Welcome to Phone Clinix. In this video, we'll guide you through the iOS app to help you get started. This is the main page of the Phone Clinix iOS app. Here, you can view all components test cards of the device. Each card represents a different component of your device to be tested. Simply tap Start Testing to begin and follow the on-screen instructions, or tap a card to test a specific test. Upon pressing the Start Testing button, you'll go through each test in order with instructions to guide you through each specific test. Once done testing, scroll down to the bottom to view the test results by pressing on View Results button. To submit test results, make sure the device is connected to Phone Clinix desktop app and tap the Submit button on the right corner of the tests page. To reset test cards, simply tap on the Reset button on the left corner of the tests page. And that's a quick tour of the Phone Clinix iOS app. Be sure to explore all the tests and let us know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and happy diagnosing.